geometry. All right, and there are a few things in geometry that we must concentrate on as it comes to this situation. Geometry, geometry is a mathematical study of points, lines, angles, plane shapes, solids, and their properties. Their properties in 2 dimensions, or what we call 2D. All right. The word metry means study. Geo actually means shape. So if we were to literally translate the Greek of it, we would say that geometry is basically the study of shapes. But since we're not taking the literal translation, we're using the English translation, we say that geometry is the mathematical study of points, lines, angles, planes, shapes, solids, and their properties in 2 dimensions. And notice it is 2 dimensions. All right? It is 2 dimensions, meaning that in 3 dimensions, these properties are very, very different. Okay? So the first shape that we need to look at, I don't want to go into the breakdown of each section. The first thing that I want to look at is what are known as triangle theorems for today. So triangle theorems, that's the first main section here. All right. So let's look at what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you the theorem and giving you the drawing that represents that theorem. So for the first theorem, first triangle theorem, it states that the sum of the 3 interior angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degrees or pi radiant or pi radiant. Pi radiant. All right, so that is the theory. Okay, guys. Now the drawing that goes along with this theory is supposed to be relatively obvious. We draw a triangle. A triangle we know has 3 angles, so A, B, C. It has 3 sides, side A, side B, side C, and it has 3 angles, angle A, angle B, and angle C. So according to this theorem, it says that the interior angle A plus interior angle B plus interior angle C is equal to 180 degrees or pi radiant. All right? Meaning guys, that if one angle here, let's say angle A is 30 and angle B is 50, then angle C must be whatever value will make it add up to 180. So 30 and 50 is 80, that means C has to be 100 if this theorem is to work. right? That's all it's saying. So these are set theorems, set rules that geometric shapes, in this case the triangle, must follow. Questions, guys? Questions?
Please explain that, please, sir.
It says the interior angle A plus the interior angle B, so this here plus this here plus this here will add up to 180. So if let's say, for example, this is only an example. Let's say angle A is 40, angle B is 60. Then that means we need to find angle C. We know that 40 plus 60 plus C has to give me 180. 40 and 60 is 100. So how much is the value of C? How much will C be?
80, sir.
It will be 80 because we say 180 minus 100 that we have.
100.
So C has to be 80. That's all it's saying.